There are moments in life that something looks beautiful, but when you prepare to catch the moment, you just obtain trash! Do you wanna make a video or taking photos in a special moment and don't you have needed material or budget to buy it? We have the best rental prices to this moment! Hello, my name is Alan and I am the owner of the audiovisual material rental shop Focus on You. In our warehouse you can find any material necessary to record those celebrations that we all want to remember or just take some cool photos to your friends. Put aside all your outdated equipment and switch to the new generation of material. Get the best ambient and dialogue sound with our best microphones. Record the best clips with our new Gen cameras. And get a Hollywood result with our new series of Chroma screens! Ooh! People know us because of our cheap prices, our range of material, and the service offered.
Yeah, I remember the time I rent them a photographic equipment for my cousin's wedding, and altogether didn't cost more than 170 euros for the whole weekend.
Call now and get for free one of our famous flexible tripods for mobile phones. For more info, call to the phone number or ask anything to the mail appearing at screen. And you already know, see us, watch us and rent us. See you later.